Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro GBP in front of us right now, and if you have watched my previous video on Euro GBP, then you can easily recognize these lines. If you have not, then don't worry, I'll be discussing them one by one so that you do not get confused, do not feel confused. So let's get started and find out what is going on in the Euro GBP chart and what are the trading opportunities in front of us in the Euro GBP chart. So first and foremost, if you look at the chart here, then what is the trend you think? So we can see that overall trend of the market is towards the downside. Okay, if you look at the overall trend of Euro GBP, then there should not be any doubt that this market is in downtrend, because you can see a series of lower lows and lower highs here. Therefore, this market is in downtrend, or in simple words, number of sellers seems to be higher in comparison to number of buyers in this market. Clear? And if you look at this particular portion of the chart here, then we can see that this market is bullish right now. Overall trend of the market may be towards the downside. Overall market is forming a series of lower lows, no doubt. But if we just concentrate or focus on this particular portion of the chart here, then we can easily see that this market is an uptrend, or you can see that market here seems to be quite bullish. So present trend is towards the upside. Therefore, if you are a trader whose horizon is for a couple of days, then you can go for trading opportunities towards the selling side. Okay, but if you're a trader whose trade only lasts for a couple of hours to max 1 day, 2 day, then you should mainly look for buying opportunities only, because this market is in uptrend right now. Okay, so let's try to understand these levels. Okay, first and foremost, let's talk about the most important line here, that is this trend line. So this trend line is the most important line, because you can see that whenever price was coming down, this was the level that acted as a strong support for the market, or this level or this line provided support to the market. Therefore there should not be any doubt that this line is not a valid support. You can see that, clearly see on the chart, whenever price was coming down, this level provided support to the market. Therefore, in the future also, I'm not saying the market will be coming down tomorrow, day after tomorrow. In the future also, whenever Euro GBP will be coming down, or there will be some selling pressure on Euro GBP chart, definitely you will see Euro GBP taking support at this trend line. So for future reference also, this line should be present in your charting platform. Therefore, my dear friends, I'll request you to draw these lines so that you do not miss any opportunity today, tomorrow and in the future as well. Okay, so this trend line is extremely important. Clear? Okay, so apart from this trend line on the chart, you can see that I have also marked this level. This level is the resistance of the market. Okay, this is the resistance of the market, and as this is a dynamic support, so there is no proper value here. But here we have got some values. It's 0.8650. Okay, 0.8650 from here till here. This is the resistance for the market. So in future, okay, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, doesn't matter. Okay, in the coming weeks also, whenever market will be going up, definitely market will witness some selling pressure in this price level, and in this level you can make money by shorting the market. And this is the main reason I'm just talking about these two levels, or these two lines, though the current market price is far away from here. Okay, so these two levels are clear right now. So now let's talk about these levels. So right now the market is an uptrend. I have already said that, and you can also see on the chart. So you can see that market is respecting this blue line as a valid support for the market. You can see that Previously, whenever market was coming down, it was taking support at this trend line. So that's a good news. We have another support here. Is not it? Yeah. So I'll request you to draw this trend line again on your charting platform so that you do not miss the opportunity. And right now you can see that market is kind of struggling here. Okay, right now market is struggling here to go up. So this was the resistance, and we can hope that this level will be acting as a support zone for the market. Okay, so this level will be acting as a support zone for the market, and apart from this support zone, this trend line is also present here. So therefore right now market is in a very crucial position here. Okay, right now market is in a very crucial position here, and you can see that whenever market was facing selling pressure, market was not ready to go down. Just try to understand the market psychology here. Just try to understand the market emotion here. You are seeing that market is making series of candles with price rejection from below, which clearly signifies that buyers are present in the market and they are trying their best to take the price upward. So that's a good news for us, and therefore I'll say that yeah, Euro GBP is also in a good position to initiate a buy call or initiate a buy position here. And your stop loss will be below this blue line. Okay, your stop loss will be below this blue line. Or if you are a safe trader, if you want to wait for a conservative entry, then you can wait for some time again, until and unless market comes down, takes support at this trend line and bounces. Listen to me carefully again. If you want to initiate a buy position right now, you can initiate a buy position because market seems to be taking support here, but your stop loss will be below this blue line. Or if you are looking for more safer entry, then you just wait for the market to come down to the trend line, take support and bounce. When you will see market bouncing from this trend line, then you can initiate a buy position. Clear? Okay, I was getting too excited, I guess. Sorry. And if we look at the Forex sentiment meter here, this is the Forex sentiment meter, and you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 45% retail traders have taken short position and 54% retail traders have taken long position. So we do not have any clear-cut picture from the Forex sentiment meter. We can see that retail traders are also very much confused right now. They are also not sure in which direction market will move. Obviously, because right now you can see that for last 1 or 2 days, market is not giving us any direction on the chart as well. So if you want to wait, you can wait, or if you want to initiate a buy call right now, you can also buy right now. But whatever, this trend line seems to be a very important support for the market right now. So I'll say that it's up to you. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood my difference. And recently I have also launched a pro trader membership program where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market with you for just $15 per month. And there are other benefits also. If you are interested, then please check this check this information and click on the subscribe button. That's it. Thank you so much. For all the best. Take care. Bye bye.